AI, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, language understanding, and speech recognition. AI can be categorized into narrow or weak AI, which is designed for a specific task, and general or strong AI, which has the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across different domains. AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, refers to highly autonomous systems that outperform humans at most economically valuable work. It is a type of artificial intelligence that possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge in a manner similar to human cognitive abilities. Founder and co-founder. The field of AI has evolved over time, and there isn't a single founder or co-founder of AI. It has been influenced by contributions from various researchers and scientists. Some notable figures include Alan Turing, John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and others. Impact on human life. The integration of AI into various aspects of human life has the potential to bring about significant changes. Some of the ways AI is impacting human life include automation. AI is automating routine and repetitive tasks, leading to increased efficiency and productivity in various industries. Healthcare. AI is being used for diagnostics, drug discovery, and personalized medicine, leading to advancements in healthcare. Education. AI is revolutionizing education through personalized learning experiences, intelligent tutoring systems, and online education platforms. Autonomous vehicles. AI is a key component in the development of autonomous vehicles, which could transform transportation and reduce accidents. Bias and fairness. AI systems can inherit biases present in the data they are trained on, leading to biased outcomes and unfair treatment in some cases. Lack of creativity and emotional understanding. AI lacks the creativity and emotional understanding that humans possess, limiting its capabilities in certain areas. Security concerns. AI systems can be vulnerable to attacks and misuse, posing security risks if not properly safeguarded. Ethical concerns. The use of AI raises ethical questions related to privacy, consent, and the responsible use of technology. The impact of AI on human life is multifaceted, and its development requires careful consideration of ethical, societal, and economic implications. Balancing the benefits and challenges of AI is crucial for ensuring its responsible and beneficial integration into society.